This is the Australian JPY trade on the 11th of August 2010. This trade was entered after the employment news was released from Australia. The news from Australia turned out to be bearish for the Australian dollar. This is my Trade the News platform, and the Australian dollar fell because the unemployment rate from Australia rose from 5.1 to 5.3, which is bad for the Australian economy and bad for the Australian dollar. Looking at the currency meter, I saw that the Australian dollar fell the most. However, the currency to rise significantly against the back of or on the back of the Australian dollar was the Japanese yen. So out of all the different currencies to look at, the currency meter made me focus on the Aussie JPY pair. If I wouldn't get any entry or any trade set up on the Aussie JPY pair, I would then perhaps look at different trade scenarios. So I pulled up the Australian JPY chart and I looked at the daily chart. The daily chart is currently in, it was in an uptrend. However, it has broken these lows, and now it is now in a downtrend with lower lows and lower highs. So we are currently in a downtrend on the Aussie JPY daily chart. Even if this is a new formation of a consolidation level, and it's not a beginning of a new downtrend, we can easily expect price to come down to the 75.19 mark, which is at these significant swing points out here. So 75.19 is a very important important level. Then I looked at the Aussie JPY 240-minute chart. The 240-minute chart also told me the same thing, that it has broken. It was in an uptrend, but it has broken now. It is significantly the price is moving significantly downwards, and perhaps it is time to look at the Aussie JPY short. They did not give me any other indications of price, where price might be headed, or where price might retrace. I then looked at the 60-minute chart, and the 60-minute chart shows me, I drew a trend line on the 60-minute chart, and the 60-minute chart shows me an evening star at a trend line, which is a bearish signal. Now the way the evening star is actually traded is that we wait for this completion of this entire formation, and we could go short. However, I expect the price to try and retrace a little bit and try and test this trend line, and it'll become clearer on the 15-minute chart. This is the same trend line which was on the 1-hour chart, now being drawn on the 15-minute chart. I expect the price to come and retrace and test this trend line. However, we had previous consolidation at the 76.26 mark, and the price might tend to reverse from that particular area. At the same time, we have this downward sloping trend line with a mental stop of just about 20 pips above 76.45. I think it could be make an awesome entry to try and target the 75.19 handle. So that does it, guys, for the trade for today, and I'll update you all on how this entire trade unfolds.